Now I have a twin pack of these preservative-free, complete optimal dry eye relief eye drops. Now me personally, I have RCE, which is recurrent corneal erosion, and I need to use eye drops. They make a couple different brands of this. This is a 2-pack. You get 2 10 milliliter bottles, and these have a little nano droplet eye drop. Kind of see this info on the side, the actual size of the bottle. There's your ingredients and information on the back. 1 to 2 drops in affected eyes as needed, and shake well before using. Tamper evidence seal. Let's open these up and take a look at them. So there's that seal that it's talking about. This is one 10 millimeter bottle, and this one here, I've taken the seal off. So you can see, you do have the warnings and the directions here on the side, expiration date, and then when you unscrew this, that is your nano droplet. Makes it very easy to drop these right into your eyes to help with dry eye relief. These were not sent to me by the company. I bought these because I had to. That'll do it for this little unboxing to show these complete optimal dry eye relief eye drops. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.